Hello students, welcome to BDSK online classes. Myself Sanjay Verma. Dear students, today in this video I am going to teach you about your next chapter, alcohol ether. Okay, so in this video I am going to teach you about alcohol and its classification. Okay, alcohol and its classification. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you that what is alcohol. Okay, dear students, as you know that the compound in which OH group is attached with saturated carbon atom called as alcohol. Means what? ऐसा कंपाउंड जिसमें हाइड्रॉक्सिल ग्रुप किसी सैचुरेटेड कार्बन एटम से जुड़ा हो तो उस कंपाउंड को हम एल्कोहल कहेंगे. ओके, मीन्स the compound in which hydroxyl group is attached with a saturated carbon atom called as alcohol. You can see that this is the saturated carbon atom and it has a hydroxyl group. Okay, so this compound is called as alcohol, and you know that the compound, the hydrocarbons in which carbon atoms are single bonded called as saturated hydrocarbon and carbon is called as saturated carbon. So simply you can see that in this compound this particular carbon atom is single bonded. Means what? This is the saturated carbon atom because it is a single bonded. Okay, and the molecular formula of alcohol is ROH. Okay, this is the general formula of alcohol, where R is equal to alkyl group and OH is equal to hydroxyl group. Okay, this is a alkyl group and this is a hydroxyl group. So this is the alcohol. Next is classification of alcohol. Okay, classification of alcohol. Dear students, as you know that alcohols are classified as follows. Number one is on the basis of presence of hydroxyl group. Okay, on the basis of presence of hydroxyl group. हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप की संख्या के आधार पर इट इज फॉलोइंग टाइप्स. नंबर वन, on the basis of presence of OH group. Okay, on the basis of presence of OH group. It is following types. Number 1, monohydric alcohol, monohydric alcohol. Number 2, dihydric alcohol. Next is trihydric or polyhydric alcohol. Okay, number 1, monohydric alcohol, the alcohol that contains single hydroxyl group called as monohydric alcohol. For example, CH3 CH2OH. This is a monohydric alcohol because it has only one hydroxyl group. Okay, or ROH. Okay, or ROH. It is also monohydric because it has only one hydroxyl group. Next is dihydric. Those alcohols that have two hydroxyl group, means that contains two hydroxyl group called as dihydric alcohol. ऐसे अल्कोहल जिनके पास दो एल्कोहल ग्रुप होता है, हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप होता है, डाइहाइड्रिक एल्कोहल कहलाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, CH2OH, CH2OH. Okay, this is the dihydric alcohol. Okay, this is monohydric. This is dihydric. Okay, next is trihydric or polyhydric. Dear students, those alcohols that contains 3 or more than 3 hydroxyl group called as trihydric or polyhydric alcohol. For example, CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. This is a trihydric alcohol because it has three hydroxyl group, and this is a glycerol. This is glycerol, means glycerol is a trihydric alcohol. Okay, I hope that all of you understood about monohydric, dihydric and trihydric. Okay, and next is on the basis of compound containing CsP3OH bond. Okay, on the basis of compound containing compound containing sp3 OH bond मीन्स व्हाट। इसका मतलब बेटा कि आपका OH ग्रुप जिस कार्बन से लगा होगा दैट इज sp3 bonded, okay, that is sp3 bonded, and on the basis of compound containing CsP3 OH bond it is following three type. Number 1 primary alcohol, number 2 secondary alcohol, and number 3 is tertiary alcohol. Okay, number 1 is primary alcohol, primary alcohol, number 2 secondary alcohol, secondary alcohol, next is tertiary alcohol. Okay, it is follow three type. Number 1 primary, number 2 secondary, number 3 tertiary alcohol. You can see that if primary alcohols are represented by ROH, R, CHOH, Sia primary alcohol, because this particular OH group is attached this carbon which have sp3 bond, sp3 hybridization, sorry, which have sp3 hybridization, because this particular carbon atom is single bonded. Okay, so this is a primary alcohol or CH3 CH2OH. Okay, next is secondary alcohol. This is a secondary alcohol or okay, this is propanol is a 2-propanol is a secondary alcohol. Next is tertiary alcohol, the alcohol that have 3 alkyl group. Okay, the alcohol that have 3 alkyl group called as tertiary alcohol or this is a tertiary alcohol. Okay, so overall you can say that if an alcohol in which OH group is attached to single bonded carbon or sp3 hybridized carbon atom that have one alkyl group called as primary. If it has 2 alkyl group it is called as secondary alcohol, and if it has 3 alkyl group it is called as tertiary alcohol. Okay, primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols are also present in form of allylic alcohol. Okay, allylic alcohol. What is allylic alcohol? Dear students, if a compound or alcohol that have OH group attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to carbon-carbon double bond, that is called as allylic carbon, and these alcohols are called as allylic alcohol. Means ऐसे अल्कोहल जिसमें OH ग्रुप sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन एटम से जुड़ा हो और उसके नेक्स्ट टू कार्बन डबल बॉन्डेड हों, तो इस तरह के कार्बन को एलाइलिक कार्बन और कंपाउंड को एलाइलिक एल्कोहल कहा जाता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, दिस इज अ primary allylic alcohol. Okay, this is primary allylic alcohol. Why? Because this particular alcohol group or hydroxyl group is attached to this sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is attached next to carbon atom that are double bonded. Okay, तो आपका OH ग्रुप जिस कार्बन से जुड़ा है वह आपका sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड है. कैसा बेटा? sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड है और उसके नेक्स्ट टू कार्बन डबल बॉन्डेड हैं. तो इस तरह के कार्बन को हम एलाइलिक कार्बन कहते हैं और एल्कोहल को एलाइलिक एल्कोहल कहा जाता है. सो दिस इज अ प्राइमरी एलाइलिक एल्कोहल. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज प्राइमरी एलाइलिक एल्कोहल. नेक्स्ट इज this is a secondary allylic alcohol. Okay, because this particular carbon is attached to two alkyl groups. Okay, and next is tertiary allylic alcohol. Okay, so overall you can say that it is just behaving like a R and R. Okay, so this is a tertiary allylic alcohol. Okay, this is behaving just like R, this is behaving just like R, so it is a secondary, and this is just like R, so it is a primary. So I hope that all of you understood about alcohol and their classification. In my next video I will teach you about nomenclature of alcohol. So all of you please see this video carefully and note down in your fair copy. Thank you. Have a nice day.